To set up Android Auto on a Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. We can then navigate to connected devices right here and then scroll all the way down. You can find Android Auto right here, but before we enter it, I would recommend to connect yourself with the Wi-Fi and also make sure that you have a Google account logged into your phone. When all of that is complete, we can select Android Auto and select this plus button to connect a vehicle. There's two ways to do it. The first one is through the cable, which if you have a cable that allows you to connect your phone and then your car, you can try to plug it in. If it works, then you should see an option to proceed to the next step. If not, you can always try to do it wirelessly. So if this does not work, click on connect using wireless, and after that you will need to research on how to enter pairing mode on your vehicle, because each car model will have different options to enter pairing mode. When you're in the pairing mode for your car, select connect using Bluetooth, pair vehicle, and then look for it on this list right here. You can always start a new scan, and then if your vehicle is detected, select it and connect it with your phone. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.